In this tutorial, you will learn how to write a VBA macro code to save your workbook with file name and timestamp suffixed to it in the specified folder every time it's saved. So stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. Many times we need to create versions of our work. Doing it is quite helpful in long projects where we work with a file over time. So a good practice is to save the file with timestamps. Using timestamps will allow us to go back to certain file to see what changes were made or what data was used. The worksheet here is saved with file name data in my D drive. Now to suffix date and timestamp along with the file name data, every time we save the file, we need to write a small VBA macro code. So let's open our VBA editor by pressing Alt F11. In this window, we will write our code. Since I have the code already copied in clipboard, I will just paste it here, which will help us in reducing the video length. This is the macro code that will do our job. I have also provided this code in the description box below. Now let us understand this code line by line. The first line here is just a comment for us to better understand what our macro is supposed to do. Then we have started our macro with name save it. You can give any name you prefer to. In this line, we have declared two variables, one to store current date and time and other to store workbook name. In the next line, we have stored the name of file along with location in variable workbook name. You need to specify the folder location where you want to save the file. Also, I have used a generic name data as file name prefix. You can specify something related to your project or company. Further, we have stored current date and time in variable date time suffix. Lastly, we have used save as command on active workbook with file name, workbook name concatenated with date time suffix. And finally, we have closed our macro with end sum. Now since we are done with our code, let's close this VBA editor and return back to our Excel sheet to test our macro code. To run our code, we need to press Alt F8. This will open the macro dialog box. You can see our macro code name here is available. We will do one more thing. We will assign a shortcut to this VBA code. To do this, we need to click on Options and assign a shortcut key here. I will use E along with Control. You can specify your choice of key and then click OK and close this macro dialog box. Before we save this file with our new macro code, just check here the current name of file. This is only data. Now let us save this file with our macro's new shortcut, that is Ctrl E. Now you can see that this file is saved with new file name along with the timestamp. Let us do this one more time. And you can see that this file is again saved with new name according to the current date and time. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.